If you can get at least 32 out of 40 on this world geography quiz, you might just be a genius. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Hit that subscribe button right now to lock in your luck, and let's begin.
Question 1. Which is the largest freshwater lake by surface area? Lake Baikal, Lake Superior, Lake Victoria, or Lake Huron? The correct answer is option B, Lake Superior. Question 2. What is the capital of Malaysia? Jakarta, Manila, Kuala Lumpur, or Bangkok? The correct answer is option C, Kuala Lumpur. Question 3. Which river flows through Paris? Thames, Rhine, Seine, or Danube? The correct answer is option C, Seine. Question 4. What is the largest island in the Caribbean Sea? Jamaica, Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, or Cuba? The correct answer is option D, Cuba. Question 5. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? Norway, Sweden, Finland, or Iceland? The correct answer is option C, Finland. Question 6. Which African country has the largest population? Egypt, South Africa, Ethiopia, or Nigeria? The correct answer is option D, Nigeria. Question 7. Which U.S. state is the most populous? Texas, Florida, New York, or California? The correct answer is option D, California. Question 8. What is the capital of Switzerland? Zurich, Geneva, Bern, or Basel? The correct answer is option C, Bern. Question 9. Which body of water separates the UK and France? North Sea, Irish Sea, English Channel, or Baltic Sea? The correct answer is option C, English Channel. Question 10. Which country crosses exactly 11 time zones? USA, China, Canada, or Russia? The correct answer is option D, Russia. Question 11. What is the capital city of Kenya? Nairobi, Mombasa, Addis Ababa, or Kampala? The correct answer is option A, Nairobi. Question 12. Which sea lies directly between Australia and New Zealand? Coral Sea, Tasman Sea, Timor Sea, or Arafura Sea? The correct answer is option B, Tasman Sea. Question 13. Which country is famous for being shaped like a boot? Greece, Spain, Italy, or Portugal? The correct answer is option C, Italy. Question 14. What is the capital of Portugal? Madrid, Lisbon, Porto, or Seville? The correct answer is option B, Lisbon. Question 15. Which is the largest bay in the world? Hudson Bay, Bay of Biscay, Bay of Bengal, or Baffin Bay? The correct answer is Option C, Bay of Bengal. Question 16. Which U.S. state is entirely an archipelago? Alaska, Florida, Hawaii, or Maine? The correct answer is option C, Hawaii. Question 17. What is the capital of Peru? Santiago, Bogota, Quito, or Lima? The correct answer is option D, Lima. Question 18. Which is the highest navigable lake in the world? Lake Titicaca, Lake Baikal, Lake Tahoe, or Caspian Sea? The correct answer is option A, Lake Titicaca. Question 19. The Iberian Peninsula is primarily shared by Spain and which country? France, Italy, Portugal, or Andorra? The correct answer is option C, Portugal. Question 20. Which is the largest enclosed inland body of water on Earth? Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Aral Sea, or Red Sea? The correct answer is option B, Caspian Sea. Question 21. What is the capital of Colombia? Caracas, Lima, Bogota, or La Paz? The correct answer is option C, Bogota. Question 22. Which European country has the capital city of Vienna? Switzerland, Austria, Germany, or Hungary? The correct answer is option B, Austria. Question 23. What is the smallest country in Asia by land area? Singapore, Bahrain, Maldives, or Bhutan? The correct answer is option C, Maldives. Question 24. Which river is the longest in Asia? Ganges, Mekong, Yellow, or Yangtze? The correct answer is option D, Yangtze. What is the capital of South Africa's legislative branch? Pretoria, Bloemfontein, Cape Town, or Johannesburg? The correct answer is option C, Cape Town. Which country is completely surrounded by Italy? Monaco, San Marino, Andorra, or Liechtenstein? The correct answer is option B, San Marino. Question 27. What is the capital of the Philippines? Jakarta, Manila, Kuala Lumpur, or Taipei? The correct answer is option B, Manila. Question 28. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which African country? Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, or Rwanda? The correct answer is option B, Tanzania. Which ocean is the smallest and shallowest? Indian, Pacific, Atlantic, or Arctic? The correct answer is option D, Arctic. What is the capital of Greece? Sparta, Thessaloniki, Athens, or Crete? The correct answer is option C, Athens. Question 31. Which desert covers a large part of Botswana? Sahara, Namib, Kalahari, or Gobi? The correct answer is option C, Kalahari. Question 32. The Galapagos Islands belong to which country? Brazil, Chile, Ecuador, or Peru? The correct answer is option C, Ecuador. Question 33. What is the capital of Poland? Prague, Budapest, Warsaw, or Krakow? The correct answer is option C, Warsaw. Question 34. Which river is the longest in the European Union? Rhine, Seine, Danube, or Elbe? The correct answer is option C, Danube. Question 35. What is the capital of Cuba? San Juan, Kingston, Havana, or Nassau? The correct answer is option C, Havana. Question 36. Which is the northernmost capital city in the world? Oslo, Helsinki, Reykjavik, or Stockholm? The correct answer is option C, Reykjavik. Question 37. The ruins of Petra are located in which country? Egypt, Jordan, Syria, or Lebanon? The correct answer is option B, Jordan. Question 38. What is the official language of Brazil? Spanish, Portuguese, French, or English? The correct answer is option B, Portuguese. Question 39. Which U.S. state is known as the Lone Star State? California, Nevada, Texas, or Arizona? The correct answer is option C, Texas. Question 40. Which country has the most natural lakes in the world? USA, Russia, Finland, or Canada? The correct answer is option D, Canada.
Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily brain challenges. Thank you for playing.